How to switch to an Instagram business account. Let us open our Instagram app first and go to Profile. In Profile, you will see the three lines on the top right of your screen. Click on that and then go to Settings and look for the Account option. And click on that. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Switch to Professional Mode option. You can now see the features Instagram business account has, like learning about your followers, reaching more people, getting to new contact options. So click on Continue. Now choose the business that describes your page the best. I will select Digital Creator. Click on OK and then select your business. Now add in your information. I will skip this part for the time being, and with this, your Instagram business account is ready. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.